Friction. Friction is a force which opposes the motion of a body when it is in relative motion. It plays an important part in our daily life. We cannot walk on a frictionless surface. Brakes will not work if there is no friction. Holding things, writing, grinding, igniting a matchstick, all these are possible only in the presence of friction. Here, we are studying the relationship between force of limiting friction and normal reaction and finding the coefficient of friction between a block and a horizontal surface by plotting a graph. Principle. The limiting friction is the least force required to move the body from rest. If F be the limiting friction and R be the normal reaction, then F is directly proportional to R. Therefore, F is equal to mu R, where mu is called the coefficient of friction, which is a measure of friction based on the types of material that are in contact. Materials required: wooden block with a hook on one side, 50 or 20 grams slotted weights, horizontal plane fitted with a frictionless pulley at one end, spring balance, thread. Procedure. Determine the mass of the wooden block M using a spring balance and keep it on the tabletop. Tie one end of a thread with the hook of the wooden block and pass it over the pulley. Tie the other end of the thread to the weight hanger and hang it vertically. Increase the weights in the weight hanger till the block just starts sliding. Note down the total mass added to the weight hanger and multiply it by acceleration due to gravity G, which gives a force of limiting friction F. The normal reaction R is given by the mass M of the wooden block multiplied by acceleration due to gravity G. The coefficient of the static friction is then calculated by the equation mu is equal to F divided by R. Repeat the experiment with different masses on the block, and in each case, mu is calculated and it is found to be a constant for the given pair of surfaces. A graph is drawn with normal reaction R along x-axis and limiting friction F along y-axis. The graph is a straight line. The coefficient of friction is also calculated by measuring the slope of the graph. Mu is equal to AB by OA. Applications. While walking, friction gives the required reaction so that we can move forward or backward. Packing, tying, bandaging is possible only due to friction. It is also the friction between the tires and the road that allows the car to stop while applying the brakes.